Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, LED headlights. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.